We have a high throughput payment receiver running in production. Requests are flowing, but as you can see, our analytics dashboard is showing so many queue and database failures. If you look at the live log stream, it's a complete black box. Just a generic something went wrong and another similar error. Usually debugging this requires adding new logs, redeploying, waiting for CI/CD, and in some cases even praying. But we have HyperProbe. HyperProbe is a live production debugger that consists of an IDE extension, an SDK, and a secure MCP server that acts as a real-time data layer for your AI coding agents. Now, instead of altering production code, I just ask AI. It scans our codebase, finds the exact target lines, and injects a non-blocking virtual breakpoint, or in short, a probe, directly in production using our MCP. No redeploys, no restarts. The moment the request hits production, full stack trace and variables are captured, which enables the AI to find root causes of production issues instantly. Two critical production bugs diagnosed and resolved in under 2 minutes, all without a single print statement, local reproduction, or container redeploy. That is the power of AI native debugging with HyperProbe. Connect HyperProbe to your AI agent and start live debugging in seconds.